Hello, you're welcome back to Astro Digital Technologies YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at SQL Union. My name is Ezekiah Omoyemi. What is a union operator? The union operator is used to combine the result set of two or more select queries into a single result set. The queries must have the same number of columns in the same order with the same or compatible data type. And the syntax for this is your select statement, the columns, you specify from the table, the union, then you select from the columns and from the other tables. Note, if you want to include duplicate rows in the combined result set, use the union all operator. The union operator returns unique values, distinct values, but the union all operator returns a what? Duplicate rows in the combined result set. Let's see an illustration. Looking at this chart, we have two result sets, which is A and B. A is 1 and 2, while set B is 2 and 3. So the following picture illustrates A union B. You can see from here that all the result sets in these words between these two tables were returned. You can see there is no duplicate value, right? When we come to the other data, which is A union on B, you can see that we have duplicate values here, right? And when we use the union all, we have duplicate value because what these two number figure 2 was what was returned twice. So we can see it in this way. The union is different from the join, right? That the join combines columns of multiple tables, while the union combines rows of the words of the tables. So you can use join to combine columns of multiple tables, while we use the union to combine rows of the same table structure. Let me move to my database, my SQL, to see how we can make use of this union, right? In practice, we use union operator to combine data from different tables. So I'm going to bring in two different tables of the same structure. Now you will see select all from employees and select all from dependent table. So let me execute this query, right? Now look at this query. If you look at these two tables, what is combining this table, the relationship between this table is the what? Is the employee's ID. So with this employee ID, we can interact with these two tables. Now, what I'm going to do right now is I want to combine the first name and the last name of employees and dependents. So I want to combine the first name and the last name of the what? Of employees and dependents. So we want to see the names of the employees and their what? Dependents. To do this, I will simply use the word the union operator. All right. So I will say select all from select from where now? I want to select first name, first underscore name, and the last name, right? The last name, start last name. Oof. Let's say okay from employees. So I say last name from employees union what? The second select statement, select from what now? The dependent table, right? So let me go ahead and select the what? The first name, the last name, right? And I will say what? Order by the last name. Let me execute this. So execute this. Here we go. So as you can see, this is the result. So I have combined the word all the employees and their dependents together. So we have what? 70 rows returned in total without any duplicate value. So if I use union all, for instance, let's see what we have. So because there are no duplicate values there, we only have distinct what? Values. So we have 70 rows in total, right? So this is how you use words union all. So the key point is that distinct results, by default the union operator selects only distinct values. The number and the order of columns, each select statement within the union must have the same number of columns. The columns must also have similar data types and should be in the same order. The column names in the result set are taken from the first select statement. So here now, these column names here were taken from these words, the first select statement. So the difference between union and union all is that the union removes duplicate rows from the result set, while the union all includes all duplicate rows in the result set. So in conclusion, the union operator is a powerful tool in SQL for merging results from multiple select queries into a single result set. So once you understand when to use union versus union all, this can help optimize query performance and ensure accurate results based on your specific needs. I hope you enjoy this video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the notification button. Thank you.